Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming the physical connector and Xbox model compatibility. Some Xbox consoles accept USB headsets natively, others require an adapter. Once done, power on the console and sign in so settings apply to your profile. Next, plug the HyperX USB into the front or rear USB port. Use the console's rear port if you want stable power. Make sure the headset is powered, and any inline mute or volume controls are set to audible levels before moving on. Once the headset is physically connected, go to Settings and navigate to Devices and Connections, then Audio Output or Accessories to detect it. You'll select Headset Audio and choose Chat or Game plus Chat depending on whether you want system sound and voice. Adjust the headset format to stereo or Windows Sonic if available. This affects spatial cues. If audio is missing, make sure your controller firmware is updated, and check the Xbox audio mixer to set chat/game volume. To finish, verify your microphone permissions in privacy and online safety to allow voice communication so others can hear you. If audio or mic still fails, try alternate USB ports or a powered USB hub. Some headsets need steady power. Restart both the console and headset and recheck settings. Often that clears detection issues. If you still have trouble, update firmware, test the headset on a PC to isolate the problem, and only consider a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.